رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين. Today we are doing exercise 1.5 question number 4. In the previous video we do the first part of the question number 4. Now we are doing the second part of question number 4. It is a little bit different from the part 1. Here we are doing the first equation b multiplied with b inverse and is equal to I and I is equal to b inverse b. I shows the identity 1001 matrix. Now you can see that I write here solution and b. This is the b matrix. We have to prove b into b inverse is equal to I identity is equal to b inverse b. Okay. Now we are taking the determinant of the b. Here you can see that b determinant is equal to, here you can see I put the sign of the determination and 3 multiplied with minus 2 and minus 1 multiplied with 2. 3 2 is 6 minus 6 minus minus plus 1 is 2. Here you are seeing both have the opposite sign, mean it will be subtract. Okay, but the sign will be the negative because minus value is greater than the positive. Okay, minus 4 is not equal to 0. So b is non-singular, b inverse exists. So we do the b inverse, multiplicative inverse, as we know that b have the minus sign, minus 1 value. So adjoint of b, now we shift the diagonal entries place, exchanging the places of these values, and now change the sign of the other diagonal entries. You can see minus 2 plus 3, positive 1 minus 2. As it was minus 1 and it was positive 2. Now in the adjoint it is positive and it is the negative. Here I am putting minus 2 and here I am putting 3, positive 3. Now this sign shows that, as we know that, okay, when the dot is below side, it means as we know that, but this dot is on the upside. As the previous video, we do that theorem, and its dot was the upside. It means therefore. Now these 3 dots mean, as we know that, b inverse is equal to 1 over b determinant multiply adjoint of b. Here 1 by minus 4 mean b determinant answer minus 4. So I put minus 4. Now adjoint of b it is, now this whole bracket is multiplied with 1 and divided by with minus 4. But I let it here, and now we are going on to the next step. Now b multiplied with b multiplicative inverse, and it is equal to, this is the b matrix, and multiply b inverse. This is the b inverse and I put here. Now I take it on the first front. Now this one and this matrix. Here you can say that both have the equal order, two rows and the 2 columns, and it have the same 2 rows and the 2 columns. Now first row, first column, first row and the second column. Second row, first column, second row, second column. This formula, 3 multiplied with minus 2, minus 1 multiplied with minus 2. 3 multiplied with 1, minus 1 multiplied with 3. 2 multiplied with minus 2, minus 2 multiplied with minus 2. Now 2 multiplied with 1, here minus 2 multiplied with 3. Now 3 to the minus 6, here minus minus plus 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, plus minus minus 3 ones are 3. Here minus 2 to the 4, minus minus plus 2 to the 4. 2 ones are 2, plus minus minus 3 to the 6. Here you can see that I put it again. Both have the opposite sign, but you do the subtract, but the sign will be the minus because minus 6 is greater than plus 2. Here minus 4, and both have opposite sign, but the values are same. So I cut down plus 3 minus 3, cut minus 4 plus 4, cut Now, positive 2 minus 6. The sign will be minus, but the operation will be the subtraction. Minus 4. Now, this one is multiplying with the whole matrix and dividing with the minus 4. Here you can see that minus 4 divided by with minus 4, 0 divided by with minus 4, 0 divided by with minus 4 and minus 4 divided by with minus 4. I am telling you again, when we cut the minus, we cut with the edge. Okay, with the edge. Here you can see also 4 ones are 4. 1, 0 divided by minus 4, 0. 0 divided by minus 4, 0. 4 ones are 4, 1. This is the equation 1. Now, we have solved the equation 1. We put the separator and now we are going on to the second step. In the question, we have seen that it is equal to I. I means identity and identity 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the second equation and now I put again the separator. Now we come on the third part, B multiplicative inverse multiplied with B. This is, we have done already. Here you can see 1 over minus 4, minus 2 and 1, 3. Here I put it and B matrix. Now in the first equation we put B matrix first and then B multiplicative inverse after it. Now in the question B inverse is in the front and then B. Then 1 minus 4, then minus 2 multiplied with 3, 1 multiplied with 2, minus 2 multiplied with minus 1, 1 multiplied with minus 2. Then minus 2 multiplied with 3, 3 multiplied with 2, minus 2 multiplied with minus 1, 3 multiplied with minus 2. Here 3 2s are 6 minus 6, plus 2 1s are 2, minus minus plus 2 1s are 2, plus minus minus 2 1s are 2, minus 3 2s are 6, plus 3 2s are 6. Minus minus plus 2 1s are 2, plus minus minus 3 2s are 6. Now we solve it again. Both have the opposite sign. The operation will be the subtraction, but the sign will be the negative because minus 6 is greater than the positive 2. Here I put minus 4, but both have the same values, but one is in positive and other is in the negative. Both are cut down and here is 0. Both in the opposite sign, minus plus cut down, here is the 0. Both are, one is in positive and other is in the negative. Minus plus minus, but the sign will be the minus because minus 6, and thus put the sign of minus because minus 6 is greater than positive 2. So the answer is minus 4. Then this whole matrix is multiplied with 1 and divided with minus 4. You can see that minus 4 divided by minus 4, minus minus 1, 4 ones are 4, okay, 0 divided with minus 4, 0, here 1, 0 divided with minus 4, 0, minus 4, cut down, here is a 1 and I write it here 1. Equation 3, B into B minus B multiplicative inverse is equal to I identity is equal to B inverse multiplicative inverse multiplied with B henceforth, because you can see that the first equation, second and the third, all thrice have the same answer and hence proof thrice are equal. Okay, Allah Hafiz.